So let's start discussing about the service marketplace here. Service. So the marketplace, service marketplace, SMP. What is the service marketplace here? So this is a web-based tool, web-based site, website where normally if you want to raise the ticket with the SAP, normally if you want to contact SAP, if you want to download the software licenses, so if you want to documentation, so any system, anything you want to do, so you need to use the service marketplace here. If you want to log into the service marketplace, so we have the different websites here. Services.sap.com sap.com here, then support.sap.com here, services.sap.com. Nowadays, the recent website is called the me.sap.com. So this is the common for nowadays. Everybody will using the me.sap.com. But to log into the me.sap.com, you need to log into you need the yes user ID. Yes, user ID is required. Yes, user ID is required. So this yes user ID is required. So this will be provided by your organization. When you join the yes user ID and you join the organization, your company will provide the yes user ID for your customer related activities here. Your customer related activities, your company will provide so they will provide this yes user ID related activities in the system here, right? Yes user IDs related activities they will provide to us here. So as part of this S user ID, we will log into the SAP. We will do the respective activities here. What are the list of common activities will be performed by the basis people here? So list of common activities will be performed by basis team like so creating a ticket, creating a case with SAP. Suppose if we have any issues in our SAP systems, we have to create a ticket with SAP. Then we can chat with SAP, expert chats. Then we can ticket. Why? Because in case business unable to fix the issue, business having issue, so then teams will inform us, basis team. We are the final. So they will inform us, then we will start troubleshooting the issues. Even though if we are unable to fix the issues, then we will raise a ticket with SAP. So why? Because SAP is the vendor for us. Why? Because they are the software vendor. As we are using their software means there is a support from SAP. We will get the support from SAP. So we have to use their support in case of even though we are unable to resolve the issue, we have to use the support, SAP support. We have to use it here. So that support here. So maybe by how to contact them, we have to contact SAP means how to contact by raising the one ticket here. Case with SAP here. With respect to your system, you need to raise a case with SAP. Then so okay, notes, knowledge base articles, notes, and the licenses, the keys, licenses, keys. So licenses, keys, so system keys, object keys, developer keys, and the licenses, applying the licenses here. Then so open the connection, open the connection, open the connection and close the connection. Why? Because SAP, sometimes SAP will log into our SAP system. That time we will open the connection, we will close the connections, right? So then software downloads. So documents also available in the SAP site here. So and also documents. So these are the some common activities like adding our systems into SAP Marketplace. New system. Suppose if you build a new system, you need to add the systems into our service marketplace systems here. So open the connection, close the connections, maintain these things. We have to do it here. So in case of how the SAP will connect our systems here. So SAP will sit here in the SAP where in the SAP zone. So we are here, our customer systems are here, our customer SAP systems are here. Then customer SAP systems are here. This is the customer network here. This is the SAP network. This is the our SAP network here. SAP network here. SAP network here. So here SAP will contact us. In case of if you raise the ticket, SAP will connect to the our network and they will log into the our systems here. So they cannot log into the normally how we are log into the SAP system through logon pad. We are log into the SAP system. But SAP login procedure is different here. Why? Because they have the number of customers. We are not only one person. So then they will connect to the service connection. There is a service connection we have to open, right? So then only via router in our organization, there is a router concept here. So in the router, we will maintain all our system IP address and everything. We will maintain the all our system IP details and everything here, right? So this is the our SAP systems here. This is the router concept, SAP router. Router concept. Router is the one of the small service here. In the router file, we have to maintain these details here. In the router file, we have to maintain the details here. In the router file, we have to maintain all the details and everything we have to. So we have to do that one here, right? So in the router. So once SAP, if the SAP persons means their basis team, they want to connect to the our SAP system to troubleshoot the one issue, then via router we will open the connection, then they will log into our system, then they will do the troubleshooting and they will tell us what we have to do it and everything. The resolution steps they will tell to us. So SAP will tell to us to fix this type of things here. So how they will log in via router? They will so through router only. Why? Because we will maintain all our system details in the router. So SAP will connect to the SAP technical person will connect to the our system via router. So that's why make sure all our system details we have to maintain in the router. Then only SAP person when we open the connection, then SAP person can log in. They can do all the activities in the system and everything here. They will do all the activities in the systems. That's what we have to do it in the systems here, right? So that is the how the SAP person will log in means via router. Router is the small service here which during the which we have to install it. Normal small service we have to download it. We have to maintain our system IP details in the SAP root tab file. So then we will open the connections. So then how to do that one? We need to log into the me.sap.com here. So then once done here, suppose if you want to keys, licenses, so you can download the license keys, developer keys, migration keys, anything you can download it here. And if suppose we want to apply the license for your SAP system, then go to the license keys, download the licenses. Suppose developer required some changes to the object, then they require the key, then we can download the keys from here. Suppose you are doing the migration or OSDB migrations, then you can do the so by keys you have to request here. Keys you need to request from SAP here, right? If you want to download the software, you can download the softwares here, right? So maintenance planner like downloading the XML file and patches and everything here, right? So connections open systems here. Suppose if you want to open the connections and everything here, so then go to the systems here. You will find out the list of systems and everything here. List of systems and everything you will find out here, right? How many systems are there here, everything here. Suppose if you want to open the connection, we can also open the connections here. How we have to do that connection here, right? Suppose SAP wants to connect to our system. Then in that case, we can go to the systems, then we can see so what type of systems we have here, then how to open the connections here, then what are the on-premises system connections here, then how to open the connection here, then select the system which system you want to open, select the customer, select the system, then we can find out we can open the service connections here. We can open the service connections here. Let me show you here. So here you see the system details and everything. Go to the remote connections here. Remote connection. Suppose sometimes SAP wants to log into our system here. SAP wants to log into our system here. In that case, so we have to open the connections here. Okay. Suppose if you want to open the connection, there are list of systems are there in your landscape. All the list of systems are there. Suppose you want to open the connection, then click on the open the connection, click on open connection. Then the connections will be opened here. The connections will be opened here. So that's what we can do it here. Suppose if we want to close the connection, we can close the connection. We want to test the connection test. We want to check the router test. So all the information we can test it out from the using the this service marketplace here. All the major activities and everything we can perform it in the systems here. We want to open the connection, close the connection. Then so sometimes they ask us to add the new systems into the service marketplace here. So let me show you here. After providing these details, so here the priority wise, they will work on that one here. There are the priorities here. So the ticket is very high priority, very high priority. This is a P1 situations. System down, your production system is down. There is a business impact. In that case, P1 tickets. Then high priority tickets here. High priority tickets here. This is a P2 tickets here. So it's not the business down, somewhat some important issue in the production system only here. Then medium priority. It's kind of P3 ticket, priority 3 ticket here. Then low priority ticket, that is called the P3, P4 ticket here. So high priority ticket means immediately SAP will arrange a bridge call. You need to join the bridge call and we have to fix they will help us to fix the issues here. Minimum maybe 8 hours, 4 hours to 8 hours SLA period here. High priority, so that is called the 1 or 2 days. They will take care of 2 3 days. The P3, P4 are the low priority. So 3 4 days they will take it to the fix the issues and everything here. 3 4 days they will take it out to fix the issues and everything here. Also, we can also chat with the SAP. We can also call to the SAP customer care. Then we can also email the customer care whatever the problem you have. You can also chat with them customer interaction center. So you can do the all kind of licenses, manage the keys and everything. You can see it here. All the informations we can find out from the here in the services and supports and systems and provisioning tabs here, right? So these are the main thing. As soon as you log into the SAP, you will get left side, you will get these things. Go to the service and support. If you need some support from SAP, so like regarding the fixing the issues and everything, then you can raise the ticket with them. Then or you can chat with them, you can call with them, you can email with them. Or suppose if you want to download some softwares, you want to maintain the maintenance planners, download patches, keys or anything, you can go to the systems and provisioning topic here. Okay. So this is the what we have to do it in the systems in the SAP marketplace here. The mainly daily. So maybe in case we will create a ticket, licenses, rare cases also we will apply it here. Maybe open the connection, close the connection, software downloads. So this kind of activities we do here normally. So majorly high level. So software downloads, patches, notes, ticket raising, so and the license apply. So these are the 4 5 activities regularly we do. Regularly means so maybe weekly, regularly we will do in the our SAP systems here, right? SAP Marketplace, not in the systems, also in SAP Marketplace here. Okay, got it? Any questions, anyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, can you show again that how to add a system into service marketplace?
Okay.
Yes.
So here to add the system into the marketplace here, so here you can go to the services and support. Okay. So then you can see the create the cases here. Here, go to the systems and provisioning. Here, systems here. You will see the list of systems, whatever the systems you have in our system. There is an option to create the system and everything, right? Click on the create the system. So then, so you can, you will go to the here. You can just click on the. You will get the this symbol. Add the system, which system you want to add it. Select the which system. Is it BW system? You want to SAP system? You want to ERP system? You want to business? Many in any product. Which system you want to add it? ERP system? You want to HANA system? Then select it. Then select the HANA version. Then select the click on the continue. Select the SID. Then all the details we have to fill it out. Then system will be added here.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
How does the SMP knows the version on kernel which the system we have, sir?
So that time you need to log into the SAP system. Okay. In the SAP system, you can find out the kernel versions and all the information. Suppose if I go to the SAP system, SM51, go to the release note, you will find out the kernel release and what is the current patch level we have in the system. You will find out this information. Suppose if you go to the service marketplace, go to the software download center, there support pack and patches as K for kernel, just select the K. Then here also you can find out the what is the latest in the marketplace here. So 753, right? Here what is the one? 753 1400 is there here. In the 53 1400 is there here. So here in the 753, yeah, 1400 is there here, which was released on the eighth month in the August month here. After the 753, we have the 754 also available. We can also jump to the 754, then 777, 789. So 754 up to we can upgrade it here, right? So this way we can download what is the latest is there, what is the current is there. Then you can download and you can update the kernels also.
For suppose if you are like checking for security nodes and it automatically generates what are the security nodes that applicable for a particular system, right? How that is generated, like
That
whenever we
SAP
give
that
the
SAP will check that one actually. Means SAP, our systems are connected to the SAP system, right? We need to check
mm,
manually. So there is a SAP security nodes. SAP so security vulnerabilities note here. Security nodes that we will call it as the vulnerability. So we will check this vulnerabilities, security nodes and hot fixes. Report issue, security nodes, access to the security nodes, security patch day. So currently we are in the December 10th is the security patch day. Okay, it's done. So just go to the, so every month there is some SAP security bug fixes will be released. So we need to check the list of security patches are there. So here it will, so you can see. So CVC scores. So based upon the CV score, CVC score. So 9 point or 8 point, CVC score 9 point are there. Then those notes we have to review it here. These all are the notes. You see, these all are the notes here. So, but some nodes are not relevant to the our system here. Why? Because our product versions are different here. So NetWeaver, fine. This is fine. But SAP PDC, this is not. Then we can ignore it. So then we can check it out. What is exactly this node? This is the node number. What is this exactly? This vulnerabilities contains. So based upon the our components are based upon the our systems. So based upon the systems and everything, based upon the score. So based upon the score, I think 7 plus or 8 plus. Based upon this score, so we need to review the notes here. This note missing authorization check. So like that we have to find out the which one is relevant for us. So which one is relevant for us. So then we can validate it and we can find out we can review. First of all, we have to review the notes. So this is related to web dispatcher, BO, BobJ, and enterprise products and SAP commercial commerce cloud we don't have, then we can ignore it. So we can check it out like that. So some business clients or something like that, we can check it out and we can implement the solutions, whatever the solution implemented in here. Then, so this we can check it out here. So SAP every month they will release the security patches here. So remember the nodes corrections at high priority. We have to every month we have to implement this node security nodes. We have to implement it. So every month, November month also we have the some security nodes here. See, November month also there is a security nodes. These are the security nodes released by the SAP. So we need to review these nodes. What is this nodes contain? Is it applicable? If you are the web dispatcher, yes, this is applicable. So whatever this is not applicable. What about this one? Java system, this is applicable. What about this one? What about this one? So then we can apply the notes, all the things we can apply it here, right? So November. So we are in the November only. So these are the November related patches here, right? So November related security notes which we have to apply it here. So if you go to the December 10th, they will release the one more monthly. Then it's not released. So November they have released it here. So every month we need to review these notes. We need to check whether this is applicable for our system or not. So then we can apply the note here. What this note contains? Some information about. Suppose if you open the note, security vulnerabilities here. If you open the note, so then here, so what is the reason? Potential finding the proxy servers disabled with the correction attached security. And please implement the attached support packages. They are saying that as part of this one, they are asking us to implement just to kernel. They are asking us to update the kernel to the highest version, right? So kernels. So like that, in this note we can find out resolution. We can apply the kernel. So like that, we need to review, we need to get the approval, and we have to implement in our systems. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let's start tomorrow onwards. HANA administration.